This is the Cirrus Optimus Vehicle Noise Kit. Inside the case, you'll find the Optimus sound level meter, external microphone, remote trigger, calibrator, measuring template, USB drive with software, and the download cable with the tripod at the back. To switch on the unit, the power button is located on the left-hand side. Click and hold for 1 second and the unit will power on. Once the unit has powered on, it's worth checking the battery capacity, the time and the date, making sure that these are correct. The sound level meter should be calibrated before use. Follow on-screen instructions and the right-hand button to enter the calibrate procedure. Switching on the calibrator with the top right round button. Inserting the external microphone, ensuring it's fully inserted. And the sound level meter will complete its calibration. Hit the OK button. Remove the microphone. Switch off the calibrator. Reinstall the windsock. You're ready to measure. The external trigger is installed through the bottom of the unit. Into this socket. When you first switch on your sound level meter, you may be at the sound level view screen. To move to the vehicle noise measurement, simply arrow across to the right. When conducting the noise test, press and hold the trigger, releasing when testing is finished. The maximum level during this period is recorded. Conduct 3 samples and an average value is automatically calculated. If further tests are performed, the earliest test is replaced and an average is recalculated. Once the 3 recordings are completed and average is calculated, you can add a voice tag to the recordings. This may include vehicle make, model and registration. Hit the start key and then the record button. Make your recording and then hit done. The unit then continues to record the sound data, and this is accessible through the Noise Tool software. Hit stop when you're ready for this recording to finish. To record the next vehicle, simply hit exit and you're ready to start again. The sound level meter uses 4 AA batteries, replaceable through the back case. You will need a flathead screwdriver for this. The calibrator utilizes a 9-volt battery. It would be worth keeping spares of both batteries in the case. A rubber band around the external microphone will help keep the windsock in place on windy days. The external microphone is attached through a threaded fitting. It's best to turn the tripod while supporting the microphone.